Customers don't really want to commit to demos, so we wanted to offer some sort of option for them to be able to explore the product without committing to demos or one-on-one calls with the sales. The building process, embedding it in the website was very, very simple and pretty fast. It wasn't giving us as much conversion as we wished it was. And so changing it to this interactive demo that's shorter, concise, gets the message that we want without boring the customer. One advice would be to keep it short and concise and just show the main 2-3 things that are gonna grab the customer's attention, dive deeper when you're actually on the demo call. In the future, people are going to have less patience in general. So I'm expecting people to want more self-serve options in the website, even if we are sales-led.